channel, guys. God, my hair's a mess. Been a rough day. So Sunday we went to Gears and Giving over at the River Church in Cookeville, Tennessee. Got some footage of it. We're going to roll that now, and then I'll talk to you guys. Alright guys, so that was the car show. Pretty cool. Unfortunately, we didn't win nothing. It was 4 good calls. I mean, it really was. It's for a child with leukemia. So that was basically what it was for. As you can tell, not only have I messed my back up, but I broke my hand. That wonderful battery inside a cliff, with my back being messed up, got a pinched nerve that is creating what they call drop foot. I went to, and all US 550 owners, if you've dealt with your battery, you know they're a pain in the butt. Went to take it out of the car. I stepped backwards. If you've ever dealt with drop foot too, you know that you don't have much strength in your foot and that leg. So when I stepped back, I tripped. I grabbed the strut tower with this hand, battery in this hand, kaplow. So now we find out next week. Well, actually, we've already found out. I'll do an update video for y'all, let you know what the next steps are. If there's going to have to be surgery, or they can just set it, or if they're just going to leave it alone. So yeah, I just keep beating myself up, guys. So that being said, I'm going to get out of here. It's been kind of a rough week. Rough few weeks, actually. If y'all are still watching, thank you. I appreciate it. Smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and get us out there, guys. Share us with everybody. And stay strong. Stay strong. It's pretty tough out here. But I do want to leave you with this. If you have something worth fighting for, don't give up on it. Don't walk away from it. Keep fighting. Because if you're not fighting, it'll never happen. That's why I say that right there. Dream big. Guys, we love you. We thank you from the bottom of my heart. With my hand being kind of ganked up, we're going to have to address what we're going to do, how we're going to do it. There's a couple things that, one thing I know that I want to do the next couple weeks, be another car show event that I've never been to. See if we can't get out there to that. And then from there on, I think we're going to try to fire up the podcast set. See if I can't get this thing running the way I want it to, and go from there. That being said, guys, love you. Thank you so much.